Hi everyone, I'm Jenna from Poplar Pulmonary Wellness. Do you want a surefire way to try and reduce the amount of inhaled medications you're taking for your chronic lung condition? Well, have I got a tip for you. Get your inhaler technique checked. That's right, you want to get it checked multiple times a year, minimally once a year, and definitely after any inhaled medication changes. We want to make sure all of that medication is getting from the device all the way deep down into the lungs where it's going to work. You can get your inhaler technique checked at your local pharmacy, at your doctor's office, with your certified respiratory educator or respiratory therapist, and also at our online inhaler technique workshops happening every Friday from January to March. Sign up at poplarpulmonary.com.